In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tab name in Webflow. The tab name is the page title that appears in the Browser tab and in search results. Updating it in Webflow only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through the exact path so you don't miss anything important. First, head to your Webflow account and open your Sites area. From there, go to your dashboard and open the project you want to edit in the Webflow Designer. Once the designer loads, click anywhere on the page canvas. Clicking the body or a visible section like the hero is fine. This simply ensures you're focused on the correct page. Now, open the settings for the page you want to change. If you're working on your home page, make sure you have that page selected before proceeding. In the Page Settings view, you'll see General Options first. Confirm you're in the right folder or collection if your site uses folders. Checking the parent folder helps keep URLs organized. If you decide to change the page URL slug while you're here, enable the option to permanently redirect the old URL to the new one, so visitors and search engines don't hit a dead end. Next, check the visibility for the page. Set it to public if it should be accessible to everyone, or choose password protection if you're limiting access while you work. This doesn't change the tab name directly, but it's useful to verify before you move on. Scroll to the SEO section labeled Specify this page's title and description. This is the key area. In the title field, type the new page title. The text you enter here becomes the browser tab name. Keep it concise and meaningful. Around 55 to 60 characters is a good target. Many sites add a short brand suffix at the end, but keep it brief so your main keywords don't get cut off. Below that, fill in the meta description. This won't change the tab name, but it appears in search results and can improve click-through rates. Aim for a clear, human-friendly summary. If you'd like finer control over social sharing, open the Open Graph settings and customize the title, description, and image that appear when your page is shared on social platforms. You can also review site search settings to make sure the page is indexed the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your browser tab name is now set through the page title you just entered. If you preview the page in your browser, you'll see the new title right